everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Holo Hookup versus Shimmer Me Box. This was for the month of May. I'm sorry I'm getting this video up a little late, but I do want to make a little bit of an announcement. I am no longer going to be getting the Shimmer Me Box. I really just don't enjoy the polishes of the box anymore. If I do get it, I will do another like Shimmer Me Box versus Holo Hookup unboxing. Sorry, that was my dog out there. But on top of that, the Shimmer Me Box is down to 2 brands. They got rid of Tux Polish because Tux Polish is closing. It's no longer going to be available. And like I said, I just really haven't been enjoying the colors. I haven't been enjoying the themes. I just feel like I have so many of like these polishes or similar tones to these polishes already in my collection. I am, however, going to continue to get the Holo Hookup. I really love the Holo Hookup. I feel like all of the polishes that I get are very unique. I always enjoy unboxing it. So let me know if you would like to just see a video on the Holo Hookup. Let me know what you prefer. But let's go ahead and get started with the Shimmer Me Box. I'll leave a theme somewhere on the screen because I honestly can't remember what this month's theme was or May's theme was. So I have the 2 main brands, which are Colors by Llorowe and Native War Paints, and then they had 2 guest makers. You had Leesha's Lacquer and Bluebird Lacquer. So let's go ahead and start off with Leesha's Lacquer. This is in the color Two Suns. This is just a really pretty like royal purple with a whole bunch of like gold and iridescent shimmer running throughout the polish. I think it has some holographic glitter in there as well, or holographic shimmer in there. But like I said, this is just a very standard nail polish now for me. I have so many polishes that are the same tone with the same shimmer. I'm just kind of getting tired of like these tones. The formula was good on this. This is fully opaque on me in 2 to 3 coats depending on your application, but I'm just not really impressed with the color, the formula, the finish. It's just nothing new to me. So the next one is in, I think it's like Tauntaun of Fun or something like that. And this is from Bluebird Lacquer, and it's this really pretty like pinky purple with a whole bunch of, again, gold and iridescent shimmer with some holographic shimmer in there. So this is essentially kind of like the pinky version of the Leesha Lacquer one. Gorgeous formula, fully opaque in 2 to 3 coats, but again, I have so many polishes that are like the same finish, the same color. I could probably find like 3 or 4 dupes of these polishes each in my collection already. The next one is actually one that I thought was really, really pretty, kind of unique because of the finish. So this is from Native War Paints, and it's called An Epic Battle, and it's like a purple base, but it has like a blue like shift to it, and then there's a whole bunch of like holographic glitter running throughout the polish. It's like holographic and iridescent glitter, but I don't know, it's a very loud polish. I have polishes like similar to this one in my collection with like this, you know, bluish purplish color within like the shimmer and the glitter, but I just like that it's so loud and it just really pops on your nails. So I was able to get this fully opaque in just 2 coats. I mean, Native War Paints just normally has really nice formulas, so, and like polishes. I really like them. And then the other one is from Colors by Llorowe, and this is also a pretty unique polish. This is kind of like a grayish, like a slate gray holographic polish, and it has a whole bunch of silver shimmer and holographic glitter running throughout the polish. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's very, very unique. I don't really have that many gray polishes in my collection, so I'm kind of glad that I got this one. I'm not sure if I said the name of it. This one is called Who's Your Daddy, and it's again by Colors by Llorowe. So I really did enjoy those last 2 polishes, but I don't know, I'm just tired of the Shimmer Me Box, so I'm not going to be getting that box anymore. So let's go ahead and move on to the Holo Hookup. The 3 permanent brands in the Holo Hookup are Glisten Glow, Different Dimensions, and Cupcake Polish. And then the guest brand is Anchor and Heart Lacquer. I love Anchor and Heart Lacquer. I featured a few of their polishes already in my monthly nail polish favorites. This one is called Let's Be Mermaids, and this is a pretty like bubblegum pink, but it pulls a little bit purple, like just a little bit purple, and it has this very fine like holographic shimmer. It's not super intense, it's actually a little bit more on the subtle side, and then it has these like iridescent flakies kind of scattered throughout the polish, but it's not jam-packed in flakies. Again, it's just very like subtle, it's very sparse. I actually wore this, I am wearing this currently on my toes. I think it's a very pretty, like delicate and dainty polish. I really like this. The formula of this was a little bit more on the sheer side, so it did take me 3 coats to fully build up this polish, but I really like this polish. Definitely going to be one of my favorites. Anchor and Heart Lacquer just has some of the most like unique polishes. I love getting them. I love getting their polishes. I love getting their polishes in boxes, and then also from the polish pickup. It's one of my go-to brands in the polish pickup. So let's go ahead and move on to Glisten Glow. This one here is called Mermaid Squad. It's like somewhere between like a light blue and a light green. I would definitely say it like leans a little bit more towards the blue side, but I don't know, maybe like a seafoam green. Not really. Maybe it has a little bit more blue than like a seafoam green. I'm terrible at describing colors. I don't know if you can tell. And it has a whole bunch. It's like a linear holographic polish, and it has a whole bunch of multi-chrome flakies in there. It is stunning. Love the formula of this. This was fully opaque on me in just 2 coats. I definitely don't have anything like this in my collection. It is so beautiful. So the next one is just these polishes always take my breath away. This one is called Mermaid Hair Don't Care, and it's from Different Dimensions, and it is again like this mermaid green. This polish definitely pulls a lot more green than the Glisten Glow ones. I don't know if you can see that. So it's like, I don't want to say it's like a jade green. It still has some blue in there, but it is so beautiful, and it is jam packed with multi-chrome glitters or multi-chrome flakies, and the linear, like the holographic shimmer in there is so intense, so beautiful. This honestly was almost fully opaque on me in just 1 coat, but I did end up having to do a 2nd coat, and it really kind of deepened up that color and just intensified the polish. Such a gorgeous color. I love this. I think I'm gonna do some nail art, some type of like mermaid scale nail art with that polish, because I think it's absolutely beautiful. And then the last polish in the collection, again, a stunning polish. This one also took my breath away. This is from Cupcake Polish, and it's called Mermaids. And this one definitely pulls like more blue than the other polishes. So again, it's that like, this one has kind of like an iridescent like base to it. So it's kind of like a pearl-like blue base to it. It has a iridescent shimmer in it. So it's got like a really pretty like purpley pink flash to it. And then it has those more like opalescent multi-chrome flakies in there. It's just stunning. This looks like a mermaid on your nails. It is so beautiful. This one did take 3 coats to be fully opaque, because it is a little bit more on that like opalescent like sheer side. So you did want to build this polish up, but once you fully built that polish up, it is stunning on the nail. So I can't wait to play around with these polishes, do some really fun like mermaid or summertime looks with them. So that's it. That is my swatch and review, my unboxing on the Holo Hookup versus the Shimmer Me Box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I currently post 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And then on Sundays or every other Sunday, I like to post a weekly makeup basket. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.